Salamat at gusto ko lang humirit. Nagulat din ako sa AKAP at mas lalo akong nagulat sa halaga. 26.7 billion. Isang programa na ngayon ko lang natuklasan at ngayon lang narinig. Pero may bilin dito sa text, all soft projects including AKAP must go through the office of the Speaker. AKAP, AIX, tupad, MAIP for the PI and other efforts. Yes, Senator JB.
Ako rin medyo naging curious sa AKAP ngayon ko lang narinig. No? Siguro can ask DSWD, what is this program about? Is it just between the House and kasi wala ko kami sa Senate na alam niyan eh. So is it with DSWD and the House of Representatives yung program?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, AKAP is just as foreign to us technically as Senator Bato, as it is provided
yes,
in line
item. Mapuro, I understand that it's under the DSWD budget. If you recall, in the Senate, I handle the DSWD budget, but like the COMELEC's mysterious addition of 12 billion, this 26.7 billion in the budget of the DSWD is alien to me.
Yes.
Madam Chair, if this WD declares that is foreign to them, saan galing itong budget? Baliktad na pala ang budgeting process natin. Ang Kongreso na magde-decide kung anong project i-implement ninyo. Hindi pala kayo nagre-request sa Congress na project na papunduhan, program na papunduhan? Baliktad, di ba?
Madam Chair, it is not an exclusive project or program for Congress. It will be regular program, but it is technically foreign in the sense that it has no guidelines yet.
Yes, you said
so it does not
did you
exist
request
as a
for this
program.
project? Was it in the NAP? It was not.
No.
There we go. Yes. Do we allot sums of money, enormous sums of money such as this, almost 27 billion, for a project or program that is undefined, unnamed, unfamiliar, with no guidelines whatsoever, with no target beneficiaries, and is just left open? Is this the usual practice in the DSWD?
Not necessarily a usual practice
Not
in the
necessarily.
DSWD.
So sometimes DSWD has these magical projects that no one has ever heard of before?
We don't create magical projects, Madam Chair. These are
But
part
when
of
is
the
it
GAA.
necessary? You said not necessarily. So there are times when it is necessary to invent projects?
There are times when there are necessary projects to
Yes, you have QRF and you have all kinds of emergency
Yes.
assistance. I'm very familiar. Why do you have to invent AKAP?
AKAP is not invented. I
But you
believe,
just said that guidelines and the purposes had not been established.
yes, guidelines have to go through proper policy procedures. So
Pero
it's not
linagyan na ng
invented
pera,
out of the
walang
air.
nakakaintindi kung paano gagawin, kung kanino ibibigay. Walang kaplano-plano pero may pera na.
Madam Chair, there are programs that are provided by the GAA for NGAs to implement. But before we
Yes,
do
with all
implement,
due
we have
respect,
to...
USEC, that is not the usual budget process we're familiar with. There's always a very well-defined project or program before a line item magically appears in the GAA. It's fought over, debated, and discussed very, very thoroughly in the subcommittees as well as the plenary. This wasn't.
Madam Chair, we are currently creating the guidelines, and we would be happy to share with...
Parang baliktad naman yata yung buhay natin. Ngayon mag-iimbento ng dahilan, magdi-design ng project, pupunteriya yung mga beneficiary. Pero in the meantime, linagyan muna ng bilyon-bilyon. Yan na ba talaga ang patakaran ng DSWD?
Madam Chair, for programs that are intended for the poor, vulnerable, and disadvantaged, we welcome, obviously, more programs, and we would be grateful to be able to implement these other programs.
Yeah, I'm familiar with your mandate, but nothing in your mandate indicates that you should be inventing projects and that you are exempt from usual budgetary study and procedure. I'm sorry.
Madam Chair, kaya siguro kaganon dahil hindi talaga sa kanila yung programa na yan. Oh, hindi talaga. With due respect lang, in fairness to Yusek Di Mapuro, bago nga yan sa kanya, sabi nga niya, foreign eh, hindi niya alam. So, huwag ka mag-alala, we are not faulting you for that. Kaya we are just investigating dahil the usual mangyari is meron ng bahay yung pondo, like AX. Kung sisingit man yung, meron mang intervention dyan during the BICAM, ang lower house at saka upper house, the most that they can do is siguro dagdagan yung amount ng AX na yan. Pero may bahay na yan. Pero yung gagawa ng bagong bahay dyan, during the BICAM, I don't know how feasible is that. Kaya nga sabi namin, Chairman, it's very magical. Kayo mismo, DSWD, hindi nyo alam na, uy, boom, may aka pala na ganito kalaki.
Nabasa lang ako bigla, o naalala ko lang bigla. Sabi ni Yusek,
ang tingin ko ang mas mabigat na problema na dapat malaman ng Pilipino is nag-hemorrhage ang country. Pati yung PhilHealth nga, na hindi sa gobyerno, contribution natin yan, kasi kung magpa-hospital ka, doon yung may pambayad ka, depende sa ano mo, category yung rates mo. Kung ibang iyo, dividend ba talaga na full o paglabas mo, wala ka ng bayaran. Yan ang ano doon, yung 16 billion na nilipat nila. That is the most dangerous at dapat utang inestapa yan. Government malverse the money of the people. Ginamit mo yung pera ng ano? And even Congress cannot do that. Trust fund yun eh. Galing inyo yun, pati akin. Contribution yun natin para pag nagkasakit ka ng cancer, uterus, may pangkapa-opera ka. Ang ating PhilHealth funds, natin lahat was about 8.9 billion, 89 billion. Of that 89 billion, 27 na lang nawala. 27 na lang ang natira. Paano yan? Hindi man maano ng Kongreso. Ang atin is, bakit nila pinakialaman?
Pero Mr. President, if you see that list really may establish case na yan, ang problema ganito, if we're going to file a case sa court, but the justice system, the court is a government.
No, the court ang pumapasok ang Supreme Court. Panahintuan na sila eh. Huwag mong pakialaman yan, kaya hindi yan inyo. Ako, fiscal ako, ang alam mong, nilbers nila yung pera eh. Ang naiwan kasi 29 billion lang. Out of the 89, 29 na lang. Saan ang pera namin? Ano, ibalik mo, wala mong pera. Maghiram nga ng pera eh. Ang gobyerno na ito, walang project. Wala kang nakikita ng project. Maintenance na lang. Kasi ayuda, akap, ayuda. Tupat. Yun, naubos doon. Naubos ni Romualdez kasi Romualdez, congressman lang, pero left and right ang pamigay niya. Oh, may tag 5 mil kayo ngayon. Kita ko sa CCTV ko eh. Pera natin. Sus Maria Josep, Ginoo, Romualdez, oy. Nangawa ka naman sana sa amin. Yung 89. Ang Maharlika Fund, ang target nila sa ito ang 250 billion. Kinuna nila ang GSIS ng 62.5 billion. Yan, pera rin ng mga taga-gobyerno yang empleyado. Kami, sa ano namin. Sa mga trabahante yan, housing loan ka, ito, kinuha, binigay para ayuda. Ang mga membro nito, hindi na magka-loan, enrollment ng mga bata, mahirapan sila nito kasi magkakaroon ito ng anomaly sa flow ng ano. Ang SSS, kinuha rin 62 billion. Private rin yan. Para sa mga empleyado. LBP, 62 billion. DBP, 62 billion. Kaya yan sa sundalo, pati yung retirement, nila patayan.
Given all these predicaments, sir, you have the legal basis on the issues of one.
Okay, mayroon na.
Legal remedies in your mind to
Meron na. Lahat ito, the example yung PhilHealth na binara sila, yun yan. Hindi man nila pera ito lahat. Ito ang problema ngayon. Gastusin nila ito, naiwan what is left from the original ano nila. Kagaya nitong PhilHealth, 89 billion. Ang naiwan, 29 billion na lang. So, kung walang pera, anong gawin nila? Maghiram.
But they juggle.
Foreign balloon. Wala na silang majagol dyan. Ano ba jagol-jagol? Tignan mo, bakit ang jagol?
To transfer, di ba, from private to government.
Hindi na ito, hindi na kailangan i-jagol. Andiyan na sa kanilang kamay. Ano pa jagulin nila yan? Dude, spend it. Ayuda. Hindi na may jagol yung ayuda.
Will you initiate the filing of charges? Will you initiate the filing of charges? Or will you make a move to stop the government from taking...
Meron, it is, tignan natin ang resulta sa Supreme Court, yung sa PhilHealth ngayon. So, para magkaroon tayo ng predicate of how to go about.
They fear that you will call for